You're watching News X. I'm Uday Pratap Singh. Delhi CM Atishi responds to Shivraj Singh Chauhan's letter and said the condition of farmers has never been as bad as it was during BJP's rule. Bullets and lathis were fired on farmers during BJP's rule as well. Arzu Seth is joining us for more details on this story. Arzu, this is of course the big news coming in, a big statement being made by Delhi Chief Minister. What is she said?
Well, Uday, the letter war continues ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections. Now, Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan writes to Delhi CM expressing concern over the farmer issue and the situation in Delhi. Chauhan alleges our government, indifferent to not implement the central government scheme for the welfare of the farmers. Also responding to that, now Atishi has responded, Delhi CM has responded to the Shivraj Singh Chauhan's letter saying that the BJP talking about the farmers like Daud giving lecture on non-violence. Also, the condition of the farmers was never bad as in the BJP's rule. And also, Delhi Chief Minister Atishi also attacked on the farmer protest that is also going on in Punjab. The farmers are on the inadequate hunger strike. Tell Modi ji to talk to them. This is what the Atishi said, responding to the Shivraj Singh Chauhan's letter. And also, she mentioned that they should stop politicizing the farmers issue. And also, BJP ruled states have been, bullets and lathis were used against the farmers when they were protesting against the central government scheme. So now you can clearly see on, farmers issue have also been rising up before the Delhi Assembly elections. Now Atishi has responded. In fact, Priyanka Kakkar, the Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson, has also attacked the central government over the farmers issue and said that they have promised to double the income of the farmers, but nothing has been done, and this is they are just politicizing the issue. Yes, Uday.
All right. Thank you for joining us, Arzu, with those details. Arif Mohammed.